Are you an event professional tired of settling for low offers and feeling undervalued in your craft? Well, guess what? I've developed a game-changing virtual draping class that is perfect for beginners that will empower you to master the art of premium draping. This was created since so many of you expressed that you were not able to attend the draping tour in January. But can you imagine creating stunning backdrops that instantly elevate the atmosphere of any event? This is going to leave your clients in awe. You'll get an instant boost of confidence as you confidently present your services at a price that truly reflects your expertise. Now, with this class, you'll be able to see results instantly and begin to attract the clients that you desire. So if you struggle with creating crisp pleats, neat folds, and a polished design, this class is what you need at a fraction of the cost. So what are you waiting for? Secure your seat today.